All right, this is the world's first single-engine personal jet, the Vision Jet. And here's a couple cool things that I just want to show you, some neat kind of technology on the aircraft. We're starting up here in the front here. There's an infrared camera right here in the front. And so when you're flying the aircraft, whether it's in inclement weather, low visibility, nighttime, you've got the opportunity, and we'll show you this in flight. You can actually turn that on and get some better eyes on what's going on. Come around the aircraft, this has a lot of advanced systems. It's got built-in electronic stability and protection. It has envelope protection, so kind of the short way to say that is the aircraft, if you bank too far one way, it'll pitch you back up. It also prevents you from stalling. It uses things like this, like an angle of attack indicator here. That integrates into the system, and if potentially you get going too slow, it'll sense it and actually push the aircraft down and keep the aircraft wing flying. It's an all-weather aircraft, so the aircraft has the ability to fly in low visibility conditions, rain, snow, things like this, and also in potential icing conditions. And so we've got boots here on the aircraft, so both on the wing and on the stabilizer up there, you'll see these gray surfaces. We'll show you those operate in flight. If ice happens to start accreting on the aircraft and building, you can actually turn those on and it pops it right off. We've also got other anti-ice systems. You look up at the engine there, the front of the engine, that actually uses engine heat to heat up that surface and prevent any sort of ice from building up on the surface. There's a lot of neat technology in the wing as well. It's got a fantastic glide ratio, almost more than 14 to 1. Not that you would need that, but it's a fantastic design which allows the aircraft to also slow down and land at slow speeds. It has Fowler flaps which extend from the aircraft, increase the surface area some to reduce landing speed. You've got a lot of neat technology, aerodynamic technology on the aircraft as well. You've got boundary layer energizers which increase the efficiency of the wing at high speeds. You've got some fences here which also increase the effectiveness of some of the control surfaces at low speeds. There's a lot of neat things going on with the aircraft. There's also one of the anti-ice systems on the aircraft is a TKS fluid system. So we actually de-ice the windshield with a fluid, and that's actually filled right here in the aircraft. One of the other neat features on the aircraft is a stability augmentation system. So what's going on if you come back and take a look at these ventral fins on the aircraft increase stability, and this system right here operates independently of the pilot's action. So the system senses what needs to be done from a directional control standpoint and moves these. So if we were coming into land and you had a video of us landing from behind, you'd see these kind of flapping and doing their work without the pilot making that input. Another unique feature of the aircraft, aside from the single engine, are the rudder vaders. So this V-tail is a combination of the rudders and the elevators, and so you can see how they move. And there's a control mixer where the push rods and pulleys and bell cranks come into, and when you move the stick and the rudder pedals, they all come into this mechanical mixer, and that directs those control inputs into the right outputs here on the rudder vaders. And that's just a quick walk around of the Vision Jet. One last thing I'll show you before we go is the aircraft's very connected. So there's a lot of technology in the aircraft. You look up on top, you've got a lot of different antennas. So global positioning systems, satellite transceivers, transponders, the latest next-gen technology. So if you're familiar with ADS-B, it has out and in capabilities. It does a lot of amazing things. And then there's also a baggage compartment here in the back. This is the forward seating area is pressurized, and this baggage compartment right here, which can carry snow skis, it can carry golf clubs, all of your bags. It's a lot of space right there in the back as well. So that's the Vision Jet, and looking forward to getting us in the airplane and taking a flight.